Okay, this is Zach with Demand Excavation. I'm out here at Ecole Avenue. We're just doing a little verification of repair. We just conducted an inspection with the city. We have both passed our plumbing permit with Washington County and our sewer permit with Clean Water Services Bureau. So I'm just going to record a quick video to kind of show some of the repair work we did, so anyone can observe that information. Going to be still have our excavation sites open. We're currently in the process of conducting our backfill. So you can see we are in a construction site right now. So going through the clean out here, newly installed 4-inch ABS, and making our way down here to the bottom of the clean out. I'm going to zero out my camera, and you guys can see where it connects out to the main. Hey, Zach. Recording the video. Okay, making our way down through the newly burst HDPE. I might run a little water in here. My camera's a little dusty. I'm gonna pause this video real quick. Run a little bit of water down the pipe here, clean off my camera. Okay, resuming. Gonna try and splash that camera a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to run some additional water. This isn't quite doing the trick. Bear with me here. Okay, going to resume the video one more time, get some other shots. We have a steady stream of water going down here. So, this should do the trick. Okay.
Do that.
Okay. Approaching the 3041 as we get close to the main, which again is located in the backyard. This does not go in front of the home. It goes out to the backyard and transitioning to a concrete pipe, likely where we are seeing the lateral connection here. Making our way a little further, and yes, here we are into the city main. Okay. I'm going to shut this water off and double check we don't have any pooling or other issues in the line so you can see for yourself. In a second, I'm going to pause the video, turn the water off, let it drain. I'll be right back. Okay, looks like most of the water has drained its way out. I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera back. Again, just get a double check on this pipe. Okay, so working our way through the HDPE pipe through here. Looks like the water has mostly made its way out. No pooling or imperfections observed so far. Okay, making our way up the cleanouts. And we are complete. And there's the garden hose there. So again, excavation sites to be backfilled today. Today is Friday, December 20th. So we will get those wrapped up and send this video over to the homeowner. Whoever wants it can take a look at it.